Hi, good morning. My name is Anuj Gupta from Tag Investments. Welcome to the Market Outlook. Market क्या लगता है? नमस्कार, मेरा नाम अनुज गुप्ता है, टैग इन्वेस्टमेंट से आप लोगों का स्वागत करते हैं मार्केट आउटलुक मार्केट क्या लगता है में। तो चलिए आज का सेशन शुरू करते हैं। हम लोग अपने यूट्यूब चैनल टैग इन्वेस्टमेंट्स के नाम पे से चलाते हैं, जहाँ पे हम रोज 8:45 से 9 के बीच में लाइव आते हैं जब जब मार्केट खुलता है, एंड वी टॉक अबाउट निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी लेवल्स, टेक्निकल, स्टॉक पिक ऑफ द डे, ऑप्शन सेटअप, फंडामेंटल्स, ग्लोबल न्यूज, लोकल न्यूज, currency derivatives. So let us start today's session. And in case अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे YouTube channel को subscribe नहीं करा है तो please do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. So yesterday we saw Nifty closing at 16,364 levels. Good part is it is at its all-time high and it is forming a higher high as we saw yesterday, and it remained positive most of the day. So we see positivity going way ahead as well. And the resistance is intact at 16,400 level and then 16,500. On the support side, 16,250 and 16,150 are the immediate support levels. On the bank Nifty, however, it is under pressure as compared to Nifty, because Nifty, the counters are performing well, selected counters, whereas bank Nifty is it closed at 35,937 levels. It just did not manage to hover around 36, the psychological 36,000 level. However, the good part it is managed to close on a positive note, and we see the resistance is at 36,250 and then 36,500, and the support at 35,700 and then 35,500. On the option setup, we suggest to buy on Nifty weekly 16,350 call till it holds above 16,250 zone. On the option strategy, one can go with a Nifty weekly bull call ladder spread by buying 16,350 call and selling 16,450 call and selling 16,550 call at a net cost of around 20 to 22 points. Somebody who wants to do option writing, one can sell Nifty weekly 16,000 put and 16,600 call with net inflow of around 20 points with double stop loss of 40 points. Our technical pick for the day is Jubilant Foodworks. It has reached its support level, and we feel the QSR quick service restaurants are going to do well with the unlocking theme and the government supporting. Like there was a news in Maharashtra as well that QSRs or restaurants can open or malls can be open till 10 p.m. So this is positive for QSR and retail shops. So our pick for the day is Jubilant Foodworks with a buy price of 3741, which is yesterday's closing price, with a stop loss of 3650 with the potential to reach the target of 3900. On the currency front, one can trade USD INR with a sideways bias between intraday resistance at 74.5 and support at 74.25. Higher resistance is at 74.65. USD INR closed at 74.4 in the Indian markets and 74.35 in the overnight market. On the global news, we saw US Dow close 15 points up. Dow future is trading 18 points up. European indices closed mixed minus 0.4 to plus 0.7%. Today, the Asian indices are trading mixed minus 0.8 to plus 0.3. So the global cues are mixed. As far as the Indian news are concerned, the Nifty closed 82 points up at 16,364 levels. FIIs and DIIs were net sellers to the tune of 212 and 308 crores. India VIX closed at 12.37 levels, that is down 2.7%. And currently SGX Nifty is trading 20 points up, so the domestic cues are positive. As far as the news are concerned, Tata Power Solar Systems, a wholly owned subsidiary of the company, has bagged an order worth rupees 386 crores. So this is positive for Tata Power. The Civil Aviation Ministry has hiked the maximum and minimum limit on domestic airfares by 12.5% and allowed airlines to deploy up to 72.5% capacity as against 65% earlier. So this should be positive for the aviation airline stocks. As far as the results today from the basket of stocks which we track are ONGC, Grasim Industries, IGL, Glenmark, Petronet LNG, Burger King, and NHPC. The first actionable idea for today, as far as fundamentals are concerned, Apollo Hospital at the current market price of 4133, Apollo Hospitals has emerged as Asia's foremost integrated healthcare service provider and has a robust presence across the healthcare ecosystem, including hospitals, pharmacies, primary care, and diagnostic clinics, and several retail health models. As the second actionable idea is NMDC at the current market price of 173 with a target price of 220. NMDC's results reflect strong iron ore pricing and volumes growth as EBITDA jumped 4.5x YOY to INR 42.1 billion. EBITDA by T at INR 445 INR was the highest ever. We remain positive on NMDC given strong earning outlook driven by volume growth and better iron ore prices. We expect a strong, that is 13% volume CAGR to 42 MT over FY 21-23 estimates and higher iron ore prices, which should result in 12% and 16% EBITDA and PAT CAGR over FY 21-23 estimates respectively. So the view is clearly buy for NMDC. The time frame from the top research ideas for a time frame for more than 1 year investments, one can look at our ICICI Bank, Max Financial, Gujarat Gas, Sun Pharma, Godrej Consumers for an upside between 15 to 19%. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for the watch. Have a lovely day. Wishing you a good day. Happy trading, happy investing. Thank you. And do hit the subscribe button in case you have not hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel.